All right, this is my hamster. I think she's got a cold. She was making funny noises earlier. She was wheezing 30 minutes ago. Did she stop wheezing? Hopefully she's better. She was breathing funny. And she sounds better now. What are you doing? Making your bed? And move some stuff for you? Here, I'll move some stuff for you. See if you... What do you think? Is she still making clicking noises? I can hear her. Yeah, she's still making noises. Buddy? Can you hear that? That's coming from her mouth. All right, she dug underneath the bedding. Let's see if she makes any noise. Hopefully she's getting a little better here. Maybe she just had some dust in her throat. I read about it possibly sometimes being dusty or dirty can make them make funny noises. Let's listen in for 10 seconds here.